Hello, everyone. My name is Sophia Henry, and I actually am a certified RBT, but I'm not working as an RBT right now. So I did my original doing ABA on School BCBA because that's what I would like to That is what I would like to do in the future, is to be a School BCBA. So I scored a 6 out of 7, which is a 85% in the one area. Let's see here. I didn't score and was technological. I went back to the job description where I got my original from, and it really wasn't clear on procedures being clear and concise. What I did see that could possibly fit into that was create and assist district staff with the development and implementation of procedures and strategies for students. So I would, if I would have originally put that in there, I probably could have fit that into technological. Um, so originally, when I did this, I was just kind of picking out the highlights that I felt was important, not thinking about the 7 dimensions of ABA. I was just kind of, picking like what I felt was just really important. The job description of the School BCBA for the district is actually very in detail, except on the technological part. So that area probably needs a little bit more clarity. Um, but other than that, that was it. Thank you.